Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ama Arifi and I am from Group 3. Today we will present to you about the topic which is classification of glass. So let's check it out. So before we go into our slide content, I will introduce to you our group members. This group consists of 4 people, which is me, myself, Ama Afifi, Muhammad Azimuddin, Natasha Balkis, and also Nur Shamimi. As you can see in the slides, this is the content of the slide presentation that we will discuss about. Furthermore, I will pass it to our friends.
This is introduction of glass. Glass is one of the main materials used in the modern construction industry. Glass refers to a hard, brittle material that is usually transparent. In construction, glass is widely used for architectural and structural application. For example, windows, doors, curtain walls, and interior decoration. Glass is produced through the process of melting basic materials such as silica, soda ash, and limestone. These materials are made at high temperature before being formed into sheets or other shapes. After forming, the glass must be cooled in a controlled manner to ensure that it achieves the required durability and stability. Apart from providing natural lighting to interior space, glass also plays an important role in the aesthetic of building. With technological advance, various types of glass can be produced to meet specific needs, including heat-resistant glass, soundproof glass, safety glass, and texture glass. In conclusion, glass not only functions as a material in construction, but it also improves the quality space in terms of lighting, safety, and architectural value.
Glass can be divided by 2 groups, which is natural glass and artificial glass. So natural glass is produced that forms naturally through geological or cosmic processes, usually without human intervention. It differs to artificial glass, where it manufactured by humans, typically by melting silica and other additives at high temperature. How it forms? So, natural glass is formed due to intense heat and rapid cooling, such as from volcanic eruptions or meteor impacts. And other phenomena such as lightning strikes and frictions also can make natural glass. For artificial glass, it very differently makes, which is it's formed by heating raw materials such as sand, soda ash, limestone in furnaces and then cooling and shaping into molten glass. So the main component for artificial glass is silicon oxide, which is and can be classified in different groups based on the oxide content. So I will pass it to other presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azimuddin bin Azman, and today I will present you about float glass and tempered glass. Firstly, I'm gonna talk about float glass. Molten glass is gently floated on the layer of molten tin, even surface without any ripples or distortion. Transmit at 87% of the incident light, what we call clear view, from reduced luminosity. Housing to commercial use, float glass is a versatile item that serves many purposes. Next, there are first as many advantages, which is smooth and flat surface, high optical clarity, consistent thickness, versatile materials, and cost effective. Besides that, there also had a few disadvantages such as brittle and fragile, low thermal resistance, no safety features in raw forms, and then last, cannot protect from UV light. As we know, float glass is usually used for automotive industry, architectural and building application, interior and decorative uses, and lastly, industrial and other application. Now, I'm going to describe about tempered glass. Tempered glass is a safety glass made by heating and rapid cooling of regular glass to strengthen it. Tempered glass is far stronger than regular glass. When it breaks, it shatters into small, harmless pieces. It may be cut or shaped before tempering. For the advantage and disadvantage of tempered glass, among the advantages offered high strength, safety, heat resistance, durability, and versatile. There is also had a few disadvantages such as cannot be cut after tempering, more expensive, sudden failure, no recyclability or remolding. That's all from me. And last, for tempered glass, it is usually used for in building and home, in automobiles and electronic, in kitchenware and other applications. That's all about tempered glass from me.
Wire glass is a special type of glass with metal wire mesh inside. The wire helps hold the glass together if it breaks, which can help stop injury. Wire glass is also resistant to heat and fire, so it's often used for fire safety. But it's not as strong as tempered glass when heat or push. You can find wire glass in schools, stairways, and factories, especially in places where fire protection is needed. It comes in different type and thickness, with each type giving different safety and fire features. Wire glass is helpful when both fire resistance and safety are important. Wire glass is a type of glass with metal wire mesh inside. It is often used for fire safety in places like schools, stairwells, and factories. Advantage of wire glass is high strength. The wire helps hold the glass together if it breaks. Second is safety. It can help stop injury but not falling apart. Third is heat resistant. It can resist heat and fire, so it's good for fire protection. And durability, it lasts a long time in good condition. And clarity and aesthetic. Some types still let light through and look clean. And the last one is versatile use. Use indoors, windows, walls, and more where fire safety is needed. And for disadvantage of wired glass is cannot be cut or drilled after made, which is once finished, it can be shipped. And second is more expensive. It costs more than regular glass. Third is can break without warning. Sometimes it may crack suddenly. And number 4 is not flexible. Wire glass is rigid and can bend. And the last one is shatter on break. When it breaks, the glass may still shatter even if the wire holds it. Wire glass is strong and safe. It is used in many places, especially where fire protection is needed. Let's see where it is used. First is windows and doors. Wire glass is used in windows and doors in school, factories, and stairways to stop fire from spreading. Number 2 is glass wall and partition. It is used in indoor glass walls to divide rooms and add safety. Number 3 is shower enclosures. Some bathroom showers use wire glass for a safe and strong design. Number 4 is glass floors and stairs. Wire glass can be used in floors or stairs for a modern look and extra safety. So, wire glass is not just strong, it also useful and safe in many building parts. Thank you. So for the next, I will present about insulated glass. Insulated glass is made up of 2 or more panels of glass separated by a spacer. Number 2 is the space of between the panels is evacuated and filled with air or inert gas. Number 3 is provide thermal and sound insulation. Number 4, widely applied in modern buildings to increase energy efficiency and indoor comfort. Insulated glass is made of 2 or more glass layers with air or gas in between. It's used in many modern buildings. So let's go for the advantage and disadvantage insulated glass. First for advantage is thermal insulation. Thermal insulation keeps a room warm or cool. Second is sound insulation. Sound insulation blocks outside noise. Third is energy efficiency, save electricity, and prevent condensation. Prevents prevent water drops on glass. And UV protection protect from harmful sunlight. So let's go for the disadvantage. First is higher cost. Disadvantage of insulated glass is more expensive than normal glass. Second is difficult to repair because it's hard to repair if broken. And heavier needs strong frames and seal failure over time. The seal can break over time. So insulated glass is very useful for comfort and energy saving, but it also costs more and needs good care. Insulated glass is used in many places to save energy, block noise, and keep buildings comfortable. So, where insulated glass is used for? First is residential window and doors, like home. Second is commercial buildings like office and malls for comfort and energy saving. Third is curtain wall and facades, like tall building in glass walls and facades. Number 4 is skylight and roof glazing, to let in light but block heat. Number 5 is conference rooms and recording studios, like meeting rooms and studios, to reduce outside noise. So it helps make buildings smart, quiet, and energy efficient.
In conclusion, glass is an important material in the construction industry that plays a major role in the functional and aesthetic aspect of a structure. There are various glass manufacturing processes used in the industry, including the most widespread float glass process, the press and blow process for decorative products, the roll glass process to produce surface patterns, and the cast glass process for unique architectural elements. Each of these types of glass manufacturing process produce a type of glass with its own characteristics suitable for certain use. In addition, various types of glass are also used in construction, including clear glass, frosted glass, and others that have advantage in terms of safety, privacy, and aesthetic value. Overall, understanding the type of glass and how they are produced is very important to ensure their efficient and effective use in the increasingly modern field of architecture.